Number 5, we have the Dirt Devil Pet Carpet Cleaner Solution, a powerful 64-ounce carpet shampoo designed specifically for Dirt Devil full-size upright carpet cleaners. This formula is tough on pet messes. It effectively eliminates urine, vomit, and feces stains, while removing odors and leaving behind a fresh tropical breeze scent. Specially crafted for carpets and rugs, it works best when paired with a pre-treatment, delivering a deep, thorough clean every time. And with no phosphates, phthalates, or parabens, it's completely safe for your home, your family, and your pets. Fast, effective, and worry-free, the Dirt Devil Pet Carpet Cleaner Solution makes tackling pet stains and odors easier than ever. At number 4, we have the CarpetXpert Deep Clean Pro Formula and StainStriker OXY Multiplier Formula, a powerful duo designed to tackle even the toughest carpet stains. The Deep Clean Pro formula comes in a 48-ounce bottle, while the StainStriker OXY Multiplier provides 32 ounces of concentrated stain-fighting power. Together, they're made for all carpets, upholstery, and area rugs, and work best with the Shark CarpetXpert with StainStriker Upright Deep Cleaner or the Shark StainStriker Portable Cleaner. Thanks to StainStriker technology, 2 unique solutions mix and activate on contact, delivering up to 20 times more stain-striking power right where you need it. They effectively and permanently remove pet messes, odors, and tough stains, including urine, food spills, and smoke, leaving your home fresh and spotless. Perfect for pet owners and anyone who demands a deep professional clean, that's the Shark CarpetXpert Deep Clean Pro and StainStriker OXY Multiplier. At number 3, we have the 3D Extractor Carpet Cleaner Shampoo, a powerful, professional-grade solution built to deliver deep cleaning results every time. This 1-gallon low-foam formula is designed specifically for carpet extractor machines, making it perfect for automotive interiors, home carpets, and office upholstery alike. Its advanced cleaning technology breaks down grease, oil, dust, stains, and odors, while optical brighteners revive the original color and texture, leaving your surfaces looking fresh and like new. Despite its strength, it's residue-free, ensuring a clean, soft finish with no sticky buildup. And with over 25 years of American-made excellence, 3D continues to set the standard for high-quality interior and exterior car care products. Powerful, reliable, and expertly crafted, that's the 3D Extractor Carpet Cleaner Shampoo. At number 2, we have the Sunny and Honey Carpet Cleaner Solution, a powerful yet gentle way to bring your carpets and upholstery back to life. This 128 FL Oz concentrated formula is designed to tackle old stains and stubborn odors on carpets, rugs, furniture, and even car interiors. It works seamlessly with most carpet shampoo machines and steam cleaners, giving you professional-grade results right at home without any harsh chemical smell. Formulated with pet-safe ingredients, it's completely safe for use around pets and children, leaving your home clean, fresh, and worry-free. And with its refreshing spring mint scent, every cleaning leaves behind a light, invigorating fragrance that makes your space feel brand new. Fresh scent, safe ingredients, and powerful cleaning, that Sunny and Honey Carpet Cleaner Solution. At number 1, we have the Rocco and Roxie Carpet Cleaner Solution for pets, a powerful, professional-strength formula designed to remove even the toughest pet messes. It eliminates deep stains, food spills, and ground-in dirt from carpets, upholstery, rugs, and car interiors. Its active oxygen molecules and encapsulation technology lift and bind grime into crystals for easy vacuuming, leaving no sticky residue and a fresh scent. The formula is chlorine-free, color-safe, and CRI certified, making it gentle on fabrics yet safe around pets and kids. Compatible with all carpet cleaning machines, it delivers a simple, effective way to refresh your home. Backed by Rocco and Roxie's satisfaction guarantee, this cleaner is powerful, safe, and reliable, the perfect choice for pet-friendly homes.